Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to set the internet, or most of the internet, to dark mode. Let's go down to Chrome and open up Chrome. And let's just go to CNN, for instance. You have to wait for it to come up. Basically, you see the background is all white right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the three dots. And we'll go down to More Tools, down to Extensions. Let's go up to the three dashes over here. And let's go down to Open Chrome Web Store. And I'm going to search for an extension called Super Dark Mode. I'm going to go over here to Super Dark Mode and open it up. So what this extension does, or is supposed to do on most websites, but probably not all, is set them to dark mode. So let's go ahead and add this to Chrome. Add extension. It wants to turn on sync, but I don't want to do that. They want us to help them improve their ratings in different sites. But let's go ahead and close this. Now let's go back to CNN, for instance. Here's the extension right here. If I click on it, that turns the extension on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this page. Now the page has a dark background. Let's open up another page. Let's go to msn.com. This background is dark as well. Let's try one more. Let's try yahoo.com. And let's try one more. Let's go to my website, Geek Advisor. My background is usually white, but it changes the background out to dark. So this looks like a pretty cool extension. It really helps with your eyes. It'll also help with your battery life if you're running on a battery on a laptop. And seems to be pretty good. Seems to be pretty efficient. I'm going to close this here. Alright, please check out my other videos. I've got one down here on how to secure Chrome. And I have a playlist on how to set up dark mode in Chrome, Firefox, Gmail, and some other applications. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.